Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be making a meatless meal idea. I'm making pan-fried eggplant and mushrooms, and there's onions in here and garlic and ginger root, and it's really good. So stay tuned for the recipe. So I'm starting with one large eggplant that I've already washed, and I'm going to cut out the seeds and then dice the eggplant up into cubes. So I'm keeping it in cold water while I get the other ingredients ready so that they don't start browning. Now I'm going to chop up 2 scallions. I cook with scallions, also known as green onions, pretty regularly because I really like the strong flavor that they have. This is about 1 tablespoon of ginger, which will give some spice to the dish. I'm trying to slice this as thinly as possible so that no one bites into a big chunk of ginger. And now I'm dicing up 4 cloves of garlic. I've washed and dried my mushrooms and now I'm going to cut them up, and I have about 20 mushrooms here. In a small bowl I'm adding 2 tablespoons of liquid soy seasoning, but you can use soy sauce instead, but I like using this because it is non-GMO. This is 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and now I'm whisking everything together. And now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of water and whisking again. My pan is on medium-high heat, and I'm adding some olive oil. And now I'm adding half of the eggplant because my pan isn't large enough for everything, so I'm going to have to cook this in 2 batches. Now I'm adding some of the green onions, ginger, and garlic and stirring everything for about 1 minute. And now I'm adding half of the mushrooms and mixing everything together. This is about 1 tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and I'm going to mix this all for about 2 minutes. Here is half of the soya mixture along with a half a tablespoon of sesame oil, and I'm going to cook this for about 2 more minutes. And look at how quick and easy this was. This will go perfectly with some rice and veggies. So there you have it, a meatless meal idea that's filling, easy to put together, and really delicious. Now if you try this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments below. And if you like my recipe ideas, please click on that like button and subscribe. Until next time, take care.